I feel so great after speaking to you because always I tell this to everyone that, get the energy like Pooja. If you get the energy like, Pooja, you can
Ma'am,
do amazing things in your life. Because the energy that you hold, the positivity and the like, energy, every time the energy and the glow that I see you on your face, from starting from the consultation call till now, even I feel sometimes that, how to get into that positive stage and the energy that you get inside you.
thank you so
Maintain
much,
that
ma'am.
energy. How do you maintain that? What makes you keep, be happy and keep that energy every time on your face?
Ma'am, like I'm starting, like this is my first call. This is my first day. I'm starting start like that. I'm starting, ma'am. So that's why.
Because can you see, while talking to you, automatically I keep smiling. I keep, feeling that energy. You know what we call it as vibe. We,
Yes, ma'am.
we feel that vibe. So, because of that vibe only, lot of people they go and they pay lakhs of amounts just to, learn that skill, master that skill on how to, increase their vibrations and be in that positive stage. Because if you are in that positive stage and because of increasing the, vibrations, you attract lot of things in your life. This is
Yes, ma'am.
scientific reasons and all that we do, but automatically, it is god gifted and it is natural inside you. So never, make anything in your life, any struggle on any hurdle to, stop this thing. If you
No, ma'am.
sometime, if you just, put the full stop to these things, you will see that automatically the things will start changing.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So it is really great that you are really doing great, Puja. So this in this
Yes,
call,
ma'am.
I am going to ask you some step-by-step questions. Once you
Okay, ma'am.
answer to all the questions, then I'll ask my team to again go through your call and will be forwarding your call to them, the
Mm.
recordings and all. They'll watch that and according to that, we prepare the certificates. And in certificate also, still we are confused that either we have to do the certification offline because a
Ma'am,
lot of
please
students
do offline, ma'am. I'm eagerly waiting to meet you, ma'am.
lot of students are really ready that they want to come offline and they want to get the certification. For that, we have to
Yes,
have
ma'am.
lot many people voting that yes, they want to come offline. Then we can arrange that in some hotel or somewhere and we can just do the certification. If if not in case, then after getting the people, after making them certified for the certificate, what I will do is I will take some more batches. So once those
Okay,
batches
ma'am.
are done, once we have lot of people in a group, those are ready for the certification and they are ready to come. In that way, if we just do one workshop and present this one also in offline event, then it will be
Yes,
really
ma'am.
good for us.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Okay,
Pooja,
ma'am.
to start with, as I saw you as a person when I was in the consultation call, obviously you had this energy, but same time you had lot of things struggling
Sure,
and
ma'am.
all in business
Yes,
and
ma'am.
all those things. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
now, Pooja, after joining the 100 LGM system, can you tell me how it changed your life and what exactly new things came in your life which you experienced from the system?
Ma'am, literally, ma'am. Ma'am, can I speak in Kannada, ma'am?
Yeah, you can go ahead in Kannada, English, whatever you want. You can make the mixture of both because other
Yeah,
people
ma'am.
also can understand.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from starting, I'm joining this group, no, ma'am. I'm thinking, oh, ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಇದು ವರ್ತ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿಬೋದಾ ಬ್ರೈಡಲ್ ಬುಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಲೈಕ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದೆ ಬಟ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಪೈಸಾ ವಸೂಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಏನೂ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ವಿಷಯದಲ್ಲೂ ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ವೇ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ದಟ್ ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅದು ಆಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ಅದ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೈಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಫುಲ್ ಮೈಂಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಆ ತರದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Basically, Pooja, as per I saw you also, after joining the system, still lot of people like you, they are still doubtful. Even you were doubtful that, investing this much of amount, will I get that amount back or will I invest something? And lot of people have the doubt that it is online. Should I
yes ma'am
trust or should I not trust? You will have lot of things. But after coming into the system, the insane results you created, it
yes ma'am
really marked the complete this one. Can you tell me, Pooja, after after joining 100 LGM system till now, if you see minimum, how much are the bookings you have cracked?
More than 40 plus, ma'am. Literally more than 40 plus, ma'am.
40
Like
plus
still,
bridal.
yes, ma'am. They all are bridal, ma'am. Literally, like I'm starting. I'm charging. Before only I told ma'am 5 6,000, ma'am.
Hmm.
Now I started charging 10,000, ma'am, per look, and they're
From
ready to
4 to
give, ma'am.
5,000, you went till charging 10,000 to
ten
the
thousand.
bride.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
it shouldn't never stop. You have to go on increasing the charges as per your experience is increasing,
Okay, ma'am.
your expertise is increasing. How are you feeling going from 5,000 till 10,000?
Yes, ma'am. Literally, ma'am. Very and very, very, very happy, ma'am.
You have cracked 40 plus bridal leads, Pooja. Can you tell me what is the minimum amount you have earned?
Ma'am, minimum 3.5 to 4 lakh, ma'am. Like this season
Hmm.
only, ma'am. Literally.
You have earned more than 4 lakhs. Can you tell me, Pooja, what is your family members telling to you? How are they feeling about the business
Ma'am,
and
they
the
are
success?
very, very, very happy, ma'am. Literally, ma'am. Like I gave them some gold and I purchased iPhone for my
Oh
brother.
my God.
Yes, ma'am. And I bought an iPhone, ma'am, December 25th, ma'am, last year. So that was purchased in loan, ma'am. And after that, 3 4 months, I cleared all the EMIs, ma'am.
Hmm. You
Yes,
cleared
ma'am.
EMIs, you bought phone for your brother, you got
Brother.
gold for your
Yes,
family,
ma'am.
and you are really supporting in this age. Now tell me, what is your age, Pooja?
Ma'am, 23, ma'am.
In 23 years of age, you are supporting your family in this way. Before getting married, you are giving them this insane support, and now into you are into that financial stage that Pooja, the person who is getting married to you, so the person who will get married to you in future, even his status also will be in that way. Because if they are
Yes,
seeing
ma'am.
some a girl who is getting married, they will see that she is not earning, maybe she is a housewife. Now they will see you
Yes.
as a professional person who is earning 4 lakhs also. And the status
Yes,
and the
ma'am.
kind of things you get in future, it will be to another level.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're most welcome. And can you tell me, Pooja, that exactly after coming into the marathon, this one system, 100 LGM system, the experience that you had with 5 weeks of marathon, obviously it went till 6 to 7 weeks. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
explain me that, in short, that what was the experience in marathon?
Ma'am, that was really starting week, ma'am. I went to Tirupati, ma'am, for family trip for the first time in plane. After joining this marathon in class only, I just took them in plane, ma'am. So that was the first thing I started joining. Only I started like in plane. So I'm so happy. And first 2 weeks it was so like stressful, ma'am, but after that you and all the team members who had helped, and I'm like reached all these marathon weeks, and I till now it's very useful, ma'am.
In that 30 days of time, Pooja, I when I announced the giveaway, you was the one to complete 31 bookings in just that 30 days of time.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you just imagine how you got those brides?
Yes, ma'am. Those are all like you only told, no, ma'am, like how to organically get some ideas and bookings. So all whatever you told in marathon, ma'am, like single word only I impact in my life, ma'am. Like single word also I impact in my life. So so whenever you told ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೀಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹಾಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೆನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಓಕೆ ವಿತ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
So whatever I gave you the ideas or the secrets and all, those are the tested secrets by me and lot of people.
Yes, ma'am.
I say this to a lot of other students also, that go and test. Once you test, you realize that, oh my God, it works.
Yes, ma'am. It really, really works, ma'am.
So now, Pooja, you have almost you completed your dreams of whatever, you are still on your goal to reach to your goal of
Yes, ma'am.
doing 31 bookings and increasing your price from 5,000 till charging 10,000 per
10,000,
patient.
ma'am.
and buying the this one phone and buying the gold for your family and taking them on a trip on the aeroplane, and
Yes, ma'am.
all those things you have done, Pooja. And after doing all these things, can you tell me that when it comes to exactly particularly the WhatsApp group and the community that you are added, I have added you in, can you tell me that what is the support that you get from people and how powerful you feel with this with those people?
Yes, ma'am. Literally, ma'am, very powerful, ma'am. The word like more power to you is that word only gives like 100,000 of strength, ma'am. Literally, that one word will make everything, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This community, I'm always telling that I'm blessed and grateful for this community, ma'am. Literally, and you are the best and best, the best guru, ma'am.
Thank
Yes,
you
ma'am.
so much. Thank you so much. Always, I got those praising from you. And with my whatever knowledge I give you, you maintained the same consistency.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
added your same efforts, and whatever the secrets I gave you, you implemented and you tested that.
Yes,
And then
ma'am.
you came and shared the result that yes, it exactly works.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
tell me, Pooja, the people who come into the system, or anyone can you tell that the people who tells that we are not technical, we don't understand the technical part. Can you tell me that getting to the leads, generating leads, and getting the business and learning this technical part, is it difficult for the person who doesn't have any knowledge, or is it very easy?
No, ma'am. It is really, really very easy, ma'am. Even I know some little bit knowledge about InShot and Reels, doing that all. But after joining this marathon, starting, I have followers like 1,000, ma'am. Now I have 10.9K followers, ma'am.
Oh my God.
Yes, ma'am. Really, ma'am. Whatever you told, technical, doing videos in the such way that, so I'm doing all these things, ma'am. So this is very easy, ma'am. There is no hard technical issues, ma'am. Here.
Okay, Pooja. Now this was the this one for the certification that I did. So exactly God bless you. And I just hope, and I am expecting that you grow more. And your
Yes,
next
ma'am.
step in your business should be now you have completed so many brides. Your next step should be opening an academy,
Yes,
because
ma'am. Now
you
only
know.
I'm telling, ma'am. Actually, I'm contact with one architecture, ma'am. Actually, I told him to do some. I have own house, ma'am. Actually, so in first floor I have one room, ma'am. So I'm planning to do, ma'am. Actually,
Because already Pooja, on how to get the clients. When you know how to
yes,
get the
ma'am.
clients easily, you can you know the strategy of getting the students also.
Yes, ma'am.
Now your next
Even
step.
you last time told, ma'am, after like bridals, whenever they call you, ask that you are available to take classes, new classes ತಗೋಬಹುದಾ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ತಕ್ಷಣ ಲೈಕ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಥಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
The next step should be academy, and with academy, Pooja, you have to teach the same thing to the students, that with the
Yes,
makeup
ma'am.
skills, how they have to become a super successful artist. It is
Yes,
not
ma'am.
just learning the makeup skills, because a lot of makeup artists in whole India, they are going to the academies, they are spending lakhs of amounts, and they are investing and learning. But
Hmm.
after coming, they are struggling so much financially and personally in their lives that they are not doing anything. And
Yes,
after
ma'am.
that, they curse to those people, they are cursing those people that they didn't taught me, they didn't taught us properly, they didn't told us how to get the clients and all. If you
Hmm.
become that person who is who is getting lot of cursing from each and everyone, what happens is, whatever you're earning, it will not be worth at all. Not 1 rupee also will not be worth for you. If you are
Yes, ma'am.
training those students for a lesser amount or a more amount also, if you are giving the complete 100% roadmap, that after learning the makeup, how to become a super successful artist and how to get those 10 clients, 12 clients every month, then you will get the blessings also with the amount that you will earn. It will be
Yes,
completely
ma'am.
worth earning that amount.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. From you, I learned literally lot and lot things, ma'am. Like not only like bridal orders, not only in technical, ma'am. I learned a lot from you, ma'am. Like how to lead a life, ma'am. Literally.
So it is a complete life changing and a business changing program, because it whatever I'll teach in the system, it is tested and proven. So
Yes,
here in
ma'am.
the system, I try to work on the students technically also, spiritually also, but because in
Ma'am.
personal life plays a very important role.
Yes, ma'am.
In business, what we do, 20% we give the time to business, rest of the our personal life personal life affects lot on business. So if
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are fit and if we are perfect in our personal lives, very happy in personal life, then we can completely focus on business and it will give the results also. Same way, as I worked, even you showed your consistency, and obviously you was the winner of the giveaway in which you got the
Yes,
products
ma'am.
and all. So I was literally happy to announce that you was the winner of the products in which you completed 31 bookings and you deserve that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.